Hi, and thanks for joining the second installment of the Systems and Plants in Energy Pro. In this video, we'll be looking at the different types of water heaters and data entry. So in Energy Pro, we have a plant section. In the plant section, we can input information about our domestic hot water system or our plumbing system. These two tabs, the heating hot water and the domestic hot water tab, will be our most important tabs. The domestic hot water tab, we're going to go ahead and leave that as existing. And this will be our DHW boiler. And we're going to go ahead and use the standard system here. That's if we don't have any information about our system. Okay. You're going to find three types of systems in residential homes, and they're gas-fired, electric resistance. You may find a heat pump in some of these newer homes, but it's most likely to find a gas-fired or electric resistance in an existing home. With a gas-fired home, you'll have an energy factor and a recovery efficiency. You may or may not have this information, but if you don't use the standard and some of the defaults based on the Energy Pro library, but if you can get this information, it's a little yellow sticker called the Energy Guide sticker, and it's on the water heater tank. Okay, so gas-fired, you will see this information. With electric resistance, you're not going to see an energy factor. You're going to have a recovery efficiency, and you're going to have a standby loss. The standby loss should be calculated, but there's somewhere between 1 to 5%. You can use the high 5%, and the recovery efficiency should be given to you on the tank as well. But it should be somewhere around 1, given that electric resistance doesn't have any real loss. And your heat pump water heaters, if you do have one, will have an energy factor. This is very similar to the COP, or the coefficient of performance. Okay, that you'll also see with the gas-fired some tankless water heaters. These will have a 0 volume and a real high output. Okay, and you'll see real high efficiencies as well. Some of them have some lower efficiencies. That's if they're not self-condensing tankless water heaters. So that pretty much wraps up the domestic hot water systems, if they're tanked or not tanked. Sometimes you'll see boilers in some of these homes, rarely actually. Yeah, but if that's the case, you're going to model in the boiler in the heating hot water tab, and you're just going to go ahead and model that according to the nameplate information. It's most likely gas fired, so we're going to have an energy factor and a recovery efficiency, and they're most likely not tanked as well. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the plant section and modeling different water heaters. So thanks for tuning in, and please watch the other videos we have.